I've had enough and it's time to do something about it. What I'm dealing with right now is this camera. It's horrible. You can't hardly see anything out of it. Right now, it's sort of kind of, you can sort of kind of see, but it's not the greatest, and you can't see anything at night out of it. So we're gonna replace it. So I looked all over trying to find a replacement camera for it. I finally found one that was more affordable because Ford thinks these things are made of gold. But I ended up getting a hold of one for a little bit cheaper. It actually came direct from China, so we'll see how it works out. But it was close to $200 cheaper getting it direct from China, from wherever they come from. But it's got the actual Ford part number on the back, and it even says Ford Motor Company, or FOMOCO, on the back. So if it's a clone, it's a really good clone, but I don't think it's a clone. I think it just came from somebody that sniped one out of the factory where they get built. So we'll see. So the first thing we gotta do is we gotta open up tailgate. And then inside of here, we've got 4 screws, one there, or nuts. Then there's one down in there, down there, and then there's another one over there. We gotta take those out first. Now, once you get those bolts out, which are 10 millimeter, you're gonna pull this out, and there's a clip right there, and one clip on that side that you have to pop out. And then this will come out. Now, the camera is right here, and we've got the plug there, and then you have I think that's a T20, might be a T25. Take that screw out, this cover will come out of the way, and the camera will be right there. So there they are side by side. New camera on the left, old camera on the right. And you can see some discoloration on the edges, but I mean, it doesn't look like it should be fogged up, but the camera just sucks. So now, installation, or putting it back together, is just the reverse. Now the camera, like I said, was in here. Take this screw out, and then this slides that way, and then you can take out the plastic piece and the camera, because this connector is a little difficult to get out with it in there. So you just slide it, and then the camera and that piece of plastic pops out, and then you can unplug the camera. And now the moment of truth. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, let's see. Oh wow, look at that. That's killer. So that's it. You need a T20, possibly a little magnet to fish out those little 10 millimeter bolts. 10 millimeter on a swivel will help. And it's really not that hard. It's just hard on the pocketbook when you have to buy that stupid camera. But if you got something out of this, do me a favor, click the like button down there. If you're new, consider subscribing to the channel. And as always, have safe travels, and I hope to see you on the road.